So you want to make money as a passive income and you don't know what to do in this huge market, and then this video is for you. There are thousands of options out there, but there are all of them require money. But today I'm in this video selecting the top 5 ways you can earn money without paying any dollar, any rupee, any cent in the market, and get to work. So these five top require you to work hard, and that way you're going to make an amazing lifestyle through this one. Starting from number 1 is create and monetize a blog. So starting a blog is one of the most effective ways to bring in passive income. Specialized business blogs offer a place for you to share valuable information about your expertise, which could consist of anything from movie reviews to basic computer programming. This being said, although it will take some initial investment to get your blog up and running, once you have done so, there are a number of ways you can use it to bring extra capital. For example, you can run digital ads on your blog, participate in affiliate programs, or produce your own sponsored content, and you can either sponsor your own, share your own merchandise if you think so. So this way you can earn through a blog, and you can earn a lot of money. People are making millions out of blog per year, and you can fit in somewhere in the 1,000 range. Moving on to number 2, you should write and sell ebooks. The second one of our passive income ideas is a common one. Similar to starting a blog, if you want to get even more in depth with your expertise, you can write ebooks. In order to do so, you only need to have a story to tell or be passionate about a subject or process. This being said, although it will take some time and efforts to actually write your book, once you're finished and have uploaded it to an ebook platform, all there's left to do is just marketing, and with the marketing you are incoming and waiting for the cash to come inside. Number 3 is create and sell online courses. So this is what I have done, and there are plenty of options out there. You can use Skillshare as the biggest platform for you. If you have got expertise in any field, just go to Skillshare.com. This video is not actually sponsored. I have personally used Skillshare. You can either create your own website and selling the content, but the problem with creating your own website and marketing, it will cost you a lot of money. So Skillshare is a free website. Anybody can visit Skillshare and see your courses and find them really useful. You can either use Udemy and Coursera as well. So all of these websites pay a lot of money if you have a course, and you will earn money through a lifetime. Number 4 is purchase and flip websites. If you have some experience with SEO, website designing, or other technical skills, website flipping might be the right passive income idea for you. With this concept, instead of building your own site, you take a website that has potential but isn't currently making any money, fix it up, and then sell it. Similar to the rationale behind starting a house flipping business. Of course, like some of the other passive income business idea we have discussed so far, this will require a little bit of an initial investment. You will need to pay for the website that you are going to flip, and then take the time and effort required to fix it. This being said, however, you will be able to complete this work at your own leisure, and you have the potential to make a substantial amount of money on your investment. And number 5, and this is the final, that is sell stock photos or other digital products. Have you ever wondered where stock photos come from? You don't have to be a full-time professional photographer to take and sell stock photos or other digital products. Of course, stock photos, videos, music, apps, plugins, or themes are all products that make some upfront work but bring in income over time. So you can bring in a lot of money through a stock photo. You can either set up your own website or use Shutterstock, iStockphoto, and there are plenty of websites that can be, that can put your picture on their website, and whenever somebody purchases your picture or photo, you're there, and this is your market to make a lot of money. So this is our top 5 passive income producing websites. So if you think you like this video, please make sure to hit up in the comment box below, and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.